And let me just jump to the fifth side hustle, which is tied to building an audience online, and that is affiliate marketing. If you have an audience, or if you build an audience, you can then join affiliate programs that are going to bring value to your group, to your community, so that when your community purchases whatever it is that you are using, it could be relied on, it could be anything you're passionate about. I guarantee you there's an affiliate program that can pay you, right? And so you build an audience online. You can monetize through YouTube or Google AdSense, but that's just not the only way you can monetize. Affiliate marketing is the fifth side hustle that I recommend to you guys. The key, guys, for me is that you need to take action with this knowledge. It doesn't help you if you're gonna know all these things and do nothing with this knowledge, right? We want to build communities. We want people that are going to take action, right? Let's just attack the markets. There are plenty of opportunities. If you are looking for ways to monetize your skill set, I guarantee you can find it. Which of these 5 are you going to start with? Are you going to start freelancing to make money? Like, you need to make money as soon as possible. Freelancing is the best one for you. Print on demand. If you're someone who's artistic, definitely it is an option for you. Create a course or teach what you know online on a platform like Skillshare or Udemy. Teach what you know online. Is it building an audience online? Now, the building an audience online is different for me. It's YouTube, since I love video and I love creating content. But for you, you might be passionate about writing, right? Writing might be something you love doing. You could start a blog on a particular niche and build an audience in that way, right? Just look at your passions and build an audience online. And then affiliate marketing. Once you've built an audience, your audience can support you by using your affiliate links to use things that they were already gonna buy and make money in that way. Guys, hopefully this video brought you value. It was a pleasure for me bringing it to you. Hi guys, if you like our content, please subscribe. You'll find the button somewhere here. Come closer. Let me show them. Come closer. You'll find it somewhere here. Just make sure you find it, but you'll find the button. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's build a community. Cheers, guys.